Hi, it's Wayne from Undone, and today I get to show you the new Kovax Smart Repair Kit. It's just come into me, so let's show you what you get in the actual kit itself. You've got your carry case. You've got three types of discs. You've got the Max Film, the Super Acelex, and the Bufflex. So the Max Film are going to be your working discs. These are the ones that you're going to use first to do your repair, getting it right up to prime. You've got 80, 120, 180, 240, and 320. Those are the discs that I find myself using the most, so that's what I suggested that they put in the kit. These discs come either as multi-hole for a dust extraction, or some people would prefer not to have the multi-hole. There is that option. Just make sure you choose it when you make your purchase. You've got a backing pad, interface pad for those discs with extraction holes already in it. You've then got your Super Acelex discs. That comes in a 600 and 1200. Your 600 would be what you'd use after you've primed, sanding back your primer, keying your panel, ready for paint. If you prefer to go up to 1200 when you key your panel, you've got that option here. These come with their own backing pads inside. There we go. Love these discs, they work really well. So you've got a backing pad in each one of those. You've then got your finishing discs. So after you've clear coated, if you've got any sort of dry areas or little nibs that you want to sand out, you would use your Bufflex. So this is a Bufflex 2000. I tend to use the 2000 more than the 3000, but I know guys who go for the 3000. And I will normally go straight to polishing after sanding back with 2000 if I need to use it. Again, they come with their own unique backing pad. It's almost felt-like, but you can hear how it grips on there. Really, really great product. What I love about this product is not only can you go straight to polish from 2000, but you also don't get any pigtails in your clear coat when you use this product. So that's the kit, that's the sanding product you get in there. You will also get a pneumatic sander. Now this one is a little dirty, it's because it's my one. So I have been using this now for about a year and a half, so it's been well tested, put through the mill. I really like it. It's got its extraction system on the back there. You obviously have your airline come in. You can adjust your pressure that you're going to apply for the speed that it's going to turn. And you can also adjust the amount of airflow actually into the sander itself using this toggle down here, and that will increase or decrease your speed. So that is the new Kovax Smart Repair Kit. If you have any questions or queries about it, or you'd like my advice or opinion, please put them in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.